Alright, let's do a quick unboxing and a review of this M515D. It's an Asus. It's I would say just above entry level, ideal for office business use. And we'll do an unboxing, quick setup of it, and have a look in the BIOS. So standard Asus, the new charger, new tip. Beautiful 15.6. What's this? Oh, okay. Ah. First time I see this kind of thing. Right. Really interesting. Okay, there's an adapter for the SATA connector. Wow, that's something unique. Alright, that's actually wonderful. Look at this. That's clever. So let's have a look at this. A little bit more detailed. Okay. Yep, beautiful silver, very boring though. Standard 12 months, manufacturing date 2021-07, fresh stock, 19 volt, 2.37 amps, so 45 watts, so it doesn't use that much power. Beautiful. Okay, so we got here USB, HDMI, Type C, and the charger port. And on the other side, 2 USB, Kensington lock, and the headphone microphone. And maybe a card reader in the front or on the side. So this does not have a card reader option. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, this is the Asus new style keyboard to use. Yeah, AMD Ryzen, beautiful. None of that Intel issues. Power button, battery may be flat, so it has a very nice matte finish, probably maybe an IPS panel, but no reflection, which is nice. Okay, connect the charger and turn it on. Let's see what this baby does. Very compact, tiny little charger, beautiful. Nice hard click. Last thing you want to do is trip over that one. That's already on. Nice. We'll do the initial setup. So the keyboard has no backlight. It has a 1920 by 1080 screen, you can tell by the resolution. Nice. I don't think it's a touch screen.
Hi there.
No.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
It sounds nice too.
A little sign-in here. Voice mode on. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Okay, let's fix this up. So we got the 2-finger trackpad, so multi-touch.
Your keyboard is set to US. Do you also type with another key? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get... Just so you know.
Okay.
Next up. Type what you want to name. Your device manufacturer would like your... Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Okay, very beautiful. Nice black. It's actually nice. You can't see much of the white backlight, which is beautiful. You can see it when you look at it this way, but when you look at it directly, you don't. Okay, we're in. Similar to MSI wallpaper. Okay, let's have a look at device manager. What have you got? Check the camera. Let's say hello. Not the best. Oh, yeah, it's quite shitty. Okay, only 480p. Okay, no, well, it's okay for meetings, but not the best. Okay. Radeon Vega 8 graphics. WD 256 gig SSD, most likely an NVMe. Realtek AC, ACINC. What does this do? Have a quick look online. Does it do wireless AC6? Connect to our Wi-Fi. The keyboard does feel plasticky. Oof. That's what you get from Microsoft. Oh, come on. Okay. 10, 10, 10, that's us. Okay, wireless AC and Bluetooth together. Okay. So I don't see Wi-Fi 6. Yeah, it should be AX. So it doesn't do Wi-Fi 6. Okay, and that's about it. And the processor, Ryzen 5 5300U. Okay, 8 gig. Okay, great. Yeah, nice little machine. Big screen, 15.6, and it's got that beautiful full HD and a nice matte finish. It's an okay laptop. Everyday laptop is ideal. It can be used, no problem. And that's the maximum it will go, nothing further. Yeah. That's about it. Thanks for watching, I guess. See you in the next one.